Swing the music. Fuck. This is New York. Let's get it. Chiraq shit, nigga. And I'ma kill it now. Niggas know the rules in my hood. You talk shit, you get murked. Every time I talk shit, I'm feeling like my nigga Lil Durk. Every time I make your feelings buy, you gon' die. All niggas wanna freaking cry, they don't wanna fucking die. Nigga, I let shit off, nigga, just like the 4th of July. You talking all that bullshit, your ass is gon' get split. All I gotta do is cook this shit up like I'm cooking grits. Nigga, I'm a poor black man, but I'm trying to be rich. I'm a poor black man, nigga. Yeah, I'm trying to be rich. I'm a poor black man, nigga. Yep, I'm trying to be rich. I ain't got time for these snitch niggas. Yeah, about to get put in the ditch. Listen up, I got classic hits. Nigga, I'm feeling like MJ. Y'all niggas ain't in the zone. Don't let me have to hit you with the chrome. Niggas dead and in the room. They don't know how to do alone. Y'all niggas think I'm scared, but your ass don't freaking fit. I don't give a fuck if I'm letting no shots. Niggas all in freaking air. Niggas know I'm on the shit. Run sick like an animal. Every time you do it, dogs, don't let me have to damage you. That's how I roll. Yeah, y'all niggas ain't even on. You about to get Peter roll. I eat y'all niggas like a bag of Doritos. Cheesy ass niggas. Cheesy niggas. Cheesy niggas. Looking like that nigga Cheeto, nigga. Cheesy niggas. Fucking cheesy niggas. Fuck, nigga. These niggas straight cheesy, nigga. Every time I rhyme, nigga. Yep, it's like a matter of crime. Hit your ass with the 187 flow, nigga. Your ass is gone. Nigga, I'm just like the Grim Reaper. You can call me Mr. Death. Every time I rhyme sick, I might just break your neck, huh? You ain't got your set, nigga. Your bitch want the sex, yeah. Play the pussy like Sega. Yeah, she want the sex, huh? Play the pussy like Sega, nigga. Yeah, she want the sex, nigga. I'm feeling like Sonic the Hedgehog. Yeah, she know I'm the best. All your cats can't even test. Niggas in the hood be dead in the nest. Every time I rhyme sick, I have your ass dead in the mix. Niggas so trash, like last year New York Knicks. Ain't got no coach, nigga. Y'all niggas ain't got no hope, nigga. Better tie your ass up with a motherfucking rope, nigga. This is New York City flow. Nigga, I might just hurt you, nigga. Talking all that bullshit, but man, you ain't on that diss shit. This is my diss track. Fuck you, have a nice day. Niggas ain't on with Dave. Nigga, I hit you with the shockwave. Nigga, that's an earthquake. Niggas gon' feel a wave. Every time I hit you with that 9.0, that means mass destruction. That means I destroy you. Yep, I'm taking your soul, nigga. It's like gold. You can't read me, nigga. It's not a friggin' book. Listen up, you about to get jugs. You about to get cooked. I have my little niggas run up in your crib like, yeah, with no flashlights, nigga. We ain't playing a hide and go seek, nigga. I'm deaf. I take your soul. Like I say, fuck you. Alright?